Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these tofu kebabs. Let's get started! First, let's prepare the tofu and rinse this with water. Pat dry the tofu using paper towel and cut the tofu. I'm only using half of this. And cut this into 12 cubes. This is perfect. And microwave this for 1 minute. Season the tofu with any seasonings you like. I'm going to use a teaspoon of spicy garlic and a teaspoon of Cajun powder. Mix it well and coat the tofu with a teaspoon of olive oil. Coat the tofu with the seasoning powder and set this aside to marinate. Cut the vegetables in chunks. Take out the jalapeno seeds if you don't want it too spicy. Add a tablespoon of olive oil in the vegetables and the remaining seasoning powder. Mix it well. Wow, so colorful. And I'm using these metal skewers. If you guys using a bamboo stick skewers, make sure to soak it in water first so it won't get burned while cooking. Let's start shredding. First the zucchini, onion, tofu, bell pepper, jalapeno, tofu, bell pepper, onion, tofu, and lastly the zucchini, and continue shredding until you finish everything. Look at this guys, it's so pretty. My griddle is hot. Now let's spray this with some oil. And let's start grilling these tofu kebabs. Oh my goodness, this looks delicious. Here is sizzle guys. Wow, this is really smelling good. And we're grilling this for 10 minutes, turning it once in a while. And this is done. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I couldn't wait to enjoy these tofu kebabs. First, let's try the zucchini. Nice. Look at this guys. Tender, juicy, delicious. Yummy. Look at this, nice. My favorite tofu. Wow. I tell you guys, the seasoning, it's so good. This is so good. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.